Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change your bank account on Prizepicks. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So I'm going to be letting you know the steps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So here we go. So how you can remove or replace a payment method including your bank account is simply log into your account first, and just so you know, you can remove a payment method after 60 days have passed since your first deposit using that payment method. For example, you have registered yourself a one particular bank account number, and with that, if within 60 days if you haven't done any first deposit using that account, then you won't be able to. So make sure you do that, and then in next transaction you gotta log into your account. Simply tap the deposit button in the top right corner. Once you're in the deposit page, you should see a trash can. Click the icon to remove a payment method, which can be your bank account with previous number, right? And then you may only request to remove a payment method. Once you have removed that, go ahead, add a new payment method with new bank account, and that's how you can re-register yourself. Now make sure that you can only remove a payment method once in any calendar month and no more than 5 times across any 12 month. And if you have added a PayPal account and if you want to remove that account, then it does not permit you to remove your account. That is it. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.